In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva website domains and connect a custom domain to your Canva website. Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva website domains and connect a custom domain to your Canva website. By the end, your site will be live at a professional web address that matches your brand. Start with your Canva website design open. This is the page or multi-page site you've created in Canva's editor. Before you publish, take a quick moment to check your text, links, and images, and make sure your pages are named clearly. When you're ready, look for the Publish Website button, typically in the top right of the editor. Clicking this opens the publishing options and prepares your site for the web. Choose Use a Custom Domain. This tells Canva you want your site to appear on your own web address rather than a Canva-provided URL. Using a custom domain helps with brand consistency, trust, and discoverability, and it makes your link easier to share. You'll now see two choices: buy a domain from Canva or use a domain you already own. If you choose to buy through Canva, the process is streamlined in one place. You'll search for an available name, review the price, and Canva will handle the setup behind the scenes. If you use a domain you already own, you'll connect it from your current registrar. This is great if you already have a domain or prefer to keep all your domains in one account elsewhere. Next, follow the on-screen steps to connect and verify the domain. Canva will guide you based on your selection. If you bought the domain in Canva, verification is usually automatic. If you're using a domain you already own, you may be prompted to add DNS records, commonly a CNAME, a record, or a TXT record, to prove ownership and point the domain to your Canva site. Copy the exact values Canva provides and paste them into your domain's DNS settings. Changes can take time to propagate across the internet. It might be a few minutes or up to 24-48 hours in some cases. That's normal. Canva will continue checking periodically until verification is complete. During this phase, SSL certificates are typically set up automatically so your site loads securely with HTTPS. Once verified, publish your Canva website with the domain. After publishing, visit your domain in a browser, test your links, and try it on mobile. If you don't see updates right away, refresh or clear your cache and check again later as propagation finishes. And that's how you use Canva website domains to publish your site with a custom domain. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.